Hello everyone, I'm Suvashri from Core Maps and Solutions. Welcome to my channel. In this demonstration, I will talk to you about three different ways of sharing information on SharePoint. I have created a Teams site here right out of the box. You see you have a news option here. You can create a new post. You can choose any of the three templates. Suppose you are posting a nature blog, so you can choose this template over here. Click on create post. Here you can type your post name. Suppose test post. Here you can write the author's email ID or name. Here this section you can change. You can write it on your own. The image you can change. Here also this section, all the sections are changeable or editable, or all the sections you can delete any of the sections also. If you click on this and delete this, you can delete this section also. So after doing all the changes, you just click on post news, go to home, and you can see your test post over here. Now suppose you want to post any third party link over here. Suppose there is a blog post of mine. Suppose you want to post this article from this blog post in your SharePoint site. So click on add news link, paste that link. It will convert this article into a post. Click on post and see this news is also published on your home page. Now you can see this post on separate pages and can like, comment, and even save the post for later. If I'm clicking on this post, going there down, you can like this post, you can comment on this post. You can see how many views are there. You can even save this page for later. Another very popular way is, of course, to use documents. Here you see documents, you see the three dots. Click on these three dots, you see the upload option. You can upload a file or folder from your desktop or from your computer. You can also find document to the left and go to the SharePoint storage area called the document library. There, of course, you can upload again files, folders. You can drag and drop files in here, and you can create new files directly here. So if I want to create a new Word document that opens in Word Online, and I can start typing my information in here, a random text, it will be auto saved. I can change the file name as sample file. Again, it will be auto saved. Now if I go back to the site from here, go back to the site, you can see under documents the sample file is visible here also. If you go to the document library from left, you can see the sample file is uploaded or created over here, not uploaded, sorry, created over here. So that's the second way of sharing information. uploading files and creating files directly on SharePoint. Third way to share information, there is of course lots more than three ways, but third way I want to show you is putting information directly onto the page. You do that by clicking this edit button over here. If you don't see this edit button, that means you are not having permission. But I'm having permission, so I'm editing this page. Again, clicking on this plus button, selecting text, and then typing my information here. You can format your text, font, size, color, everything from here. After doing these things, after doing the formatting, you can publish the page, and now you can see your information here. See your information, you can see your news posts, and you can see your uploaded documents. So yes, three ways using posts, documents, and web paths you can share information on SharePoint. So that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching this demonstration.